Introducing GoPxL Pro Tools, a selection of AI and powerful image inspection tools that provides users with curated workflows for training AI models alongside proven traditional algorithms for pattern matching, dimensioning, barcode, OCR reading, and much more. The AI Anomaly Detector identifies subtle deviations and surface defects in both 2D and 3D data without the need for manual rule creation. For complex sorting and validation, the AI Image Classifier delivers accurate results despite changing lighting conditions and part orientation. And the AI Object Detector allows for real-time locating, counting, and tracking of organic or variable features. Complementing these AI capabilities is a selection of image inspection tools, which can be used in isolation to identify parts, count objects, and measure part dimensions. They can also be used alongside AI-based detection for more demanding defect or detection applications, allowing users to build flexible inspection pipelines that scale with inspection requirements. These tools are ready to deploy across three primary system types: accelerated 3D systems using Gocator sensors paired with GoMax or PC processing, edge 2D systems using Gocator 2D smart cameras, and modular 2D systems utilizing Allied Vision Alvium cameras with GoMax or PC-based acceleration. You can evaluate and develop your entire inspection workflow for free using replay mode. This allows you to train your AI models and validate your logic against recorded production data without any initial hardware licensing. Once your workflow is optimized and ready for the factory floor, live inspection is unlocked via a perpetually licensed dongle for GoMax and PC-based systems. Users can purchase a perpetual license to use either the AI tools, the image tools, or both. For Gocator 2D smart cameras, these capabilities are permanently included on board, providing a compact, all-in-one edge solution. Faster deployment, reduced downtime, and a more stable inspection process. Download GoPxL Pro Tools today to begin your free evaluation.